And basically, this part is the first part. This comes here, and this has cement in the bottom, so it ballasts the thing in the water. Now, in your case, you might ship it without the cement, because basically it costs money to ship the cement. This thing weighs about, I don't know, about 20 pounds, something like that. It has the eye bolt through here for attaching your anchor, and then this bolt here stops the buoy from going down. That's what they have, two things. But in the bottom here, you have cement. Okay? Now this is the first part. And the second part is basically the B24 buoy, which is this piece here. And this just drops on. And by the way, before he puts it on, hold on. Before he puts it on, there's two hubs on the bottom of this buoy that you can run there's two hubs on here that you can put a rope through. Some people don't even use a ballast. And this buoy is also filled with foam, so if somebody cracks it or something, it's not going to sink. And now slide down the pole, like this here. Okay, now the last thing is, this is a standard buoy we made. You can also buy it without anything. Give me the light. And you can just put the light on if you don't want anything else. Put the light on, and there's a big bolt that goes through here. If you look close, there's a hole in the top of here, so you can put whatever you want on, and there's a hole in the light. This lights up, and you put the bolt through, and you can't take it apart. That's the way it works, okay? I'm going to take this off for now. The second thing is, now we want to add the collar. And these collars are made in red and green. But as we discussed, we can actually make the buoy into different colors. And then the same thing applies. The light goes in here, and the bolt holds the whole thing together again. Locks the collar on, locks the buoy together. So this is your 5 pieces. The only thing, probably you'd be better off buying without the cement in the bottom, and you can just throw half a bucket of cement into the bottom to make the ballast. We'll give you how much cement you need, and that should do it. And that's one type of buoy. The second type, let me take this way. It's a flashing amber light required by the Coast Guard, but sometimes they don't require it. But this is the light. It comes off like this, and then you can put that aside, and this comes off like this. And this meets the requirement. This meets the requirement of the Coast Guard regulations. And then finally, you can take the pipe out of the tube here and take it apart, because it makes it a lot easier to ship this thing now. You just take this the pipe comes out, and these here, believe it or not, you can put 5 of these into a box, and the box is 2 by 2 by the height of the thing, and then you got the pole. So you got 3 different parts. So this buoy comes in handy sometime, because it's an economical way of marking your dredge line, and has all the capabilities of what you want to do. Actually, this is where the bolt came out. And that's it. That's the last type of buoy, which we sell a lot of these, because for dredge lines you have to put them every 100 or 200 feet. Okay? Thank you.
Yes, each unit is supplied with a compression thing and a stainless steel cable to attach a brick to it. The brick's attached at the very bottom, as shown in this picture here. The bricks are not shipped with the buoy. It's shipped without the bricks, just the adjustment.